You got the wrong guy. I'm the dude, man.
All right, y'all, welcome back to the Dude Flips. My name's Steve. We're about to hit some garage sales. Let's do this. How's it going? Aren't your drivers?
You want both of them or just one?
Yeah, sure.
I'll give you $10 for both of them.
So 5 each?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do that. These top lights. Okay. How y'all doing today?
Good, good. How you doing?
Not bad. Trying to hit some garage sales, you know.
There you go, man.
Can't be a bad day when you're garage selling.
There you go. What do you got on you? Like a body cam or what is that?
It's just a GoPro.
Oh, it's a GoPro.
I have a YouTube channel where I go to garage sales and tape what and I put it on YouTube. Yeah.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Wow.
And anything there is like $5.
Sounds good.
My shoes are made to be running a marathon, but am I doing it? No.
Yeah.
Right. I just don't get the mentality of running that long. Like 26 miles or whatever it is.
That's amazing.
2 miles, I'm like, okay, what's the point of this? I don't need to continue this. So. You don't happen to have a 10, do you?
Yeah, I think I do.
Okay.
But golfing, you can do it all day, huh?
Oh, yeah. Well, even then,
What do you
after
need, a
18, I'm like, yeah, I'm done.
A 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got 10.
Okay. Perfect.
Alrighty.
Our son went
Thank
golfing
you.
yesterday.
Thanks.
It was what time when he called? I'm still golfing.
Oh, it was 7:45.
When I was in high school, yeah, I probably could have golfed all
Yeah,
day. But
high school.
now I'm freaking, yeah.
It's
I'm ready to go after 18. After 9, I'm kind of ready, but
Yeah, I know. Either I'm ready or I'm hungry.
yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. All right, well, I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
You'll have a good day. So I kind of messed up on the golf club buy. The Titleist driver that I bought had a giant dent and hole at the top that I didn't notice. So if you're buying these things, make sure you give them a once over. Don't be like me.
Let's put a margarita salt.
And then there's some coasters in there.
Right?
Yes.
Put the salt in here.
Uh-huh, yep, exactly.
Okay.
Yep.
How much did I just give you?
40.
Give her 5.
Okay. Thanks, honey.
Me voy a llevar esto.
Yeah, so this is the middle and it's all complete and then here are all the. Okay, like I said, the long ones.
Okay.
They go in those,
So
blocks.
35. Okay. So and he gave you 40. Oh, did he tell you
No, I'm not
35?
handy, man.
No, no.
I make money, but I can't sleep in
Hey, Beth, can you tell me what happened there?
And so what you bought over there was 35.
Yeah.
Okay, and then this is 40. Okay, so then you give me 35. Yes.
You want me to go in there for my dog?
Pásale enseguida.
Do you have any games for the
They're
Wii?
in there, yes. And all three, it comes with all three of these. It's got this whole sports package. It's got the little board. And these are the extra games that come with it. And then also, it's got this.
Little band thing.
And then
okay.
like the little charge cord and stuff.
Would you sell the Wii minus? Would you sell it minus the Wii Fit still?
I'd rather keep it all together, just because I think it kind of makes sense to all. Hey Joe, is he? If you don't mind just
Hey,
moving it real quick, thank you.
Can I open it up and check it out?
Sure. He's gonna move it.
Yeah.
I don't know why. Yeah, that's fine.
Ah, sí. No quiero café.
It's for King. Yep.
Okay, let me, let me go get it.
Okay.
I don't want to offend you. Would you take $30 for the Wii?
How about 40?
40? So the camera died right here. I ended up getting the Wii for $30. She wanted 40, but I left the Wii Fit and the balance board behind, and she was happy with 30. If you're ever in that kind of situation and there's something in a bundle that you don't really want, take it out to try to get the price that you're after. Okay, here's the Wii we got. In the box was Wii Sports, little sleeve with no disc. So, and even before I eject the disc, got something peeking out. So yeah, got the Wii Sports disc, looking pretty clean. That's what we'd like to see. Oh, and in the bag was this little dongle. It's a nice little bonus.
Hey, how are you?
Hey, what's going on? You get bombarded yet?
I said 3 people took everything I had.
Really? Dang.
She's still here.
Yeah. How much are the boots?
They're size 10.
Okay.
Those 50, the rest of them $30 a piece.
Are these expensive boots or no? What do they go for new?
Probably around 225.
225.
They're all Tacovas. Some of them have light wear. These I practically never wore these.
Yeah. What if I bought them all?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, $25 a piece.
So what is that?
1 1/4.
1 1/4?
Yeah.
I'll do it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you also want the lizard ones?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll 50. 50 for these. 1 1/4 for these.
Well, 150 just all told.
I think 160.
160?
Yeah.
Okay.
These are probably around 300.
Okay. What's the deal on there? Just a wall safe?
Yeah. Well, it's kind of heavy for a
Do you
wall
mount
safe.
it, or
You can. There are.
is it meant to go under a bed? What is it?
You can put it wherever you want. It's got holes behind the foam here, so you can mount it on the wall.
Okay.
I would not. This door is heavy, so if you would have mounted on a wall, it's kind of.
Oh, to lift it?
Well,
I
it'll
see.
fall down on you. I mean,
Yeah.
you could obviously.
Yeah.
But whatever. But
How much is that?
$10 for that.
$10. So am I at 170?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna just get the 170 stuff, I think.
Okay. So the boots in that one set.
Yeah.
That sounds good. Thank you.
You got a 10?
Thank you, sir.
Cool.
Now, those boots have been conditioned the whole time, so the weather's not going to go on you anytime soon.
Yeah, look like they've been well maintained for sure. You got anything that I can carry?
I got a huge
Like a big-
bag. I mean, it's huge.
I'd make it work, probably. Do you ride this a lot?
I ride it in the summer.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I volunteer in the pool.
Nah,
Too big, right?
I'll just walk them over.
Thanks, man.
I'll take a couple trips.
Hey, what's going on? How are you? Oh, this gentleman's got the safe.
Oh, yeah, I bought that too. Sorry.
You got all the boots?
Yeah.
Wow.
Excuse me.
Yeah, these are Alzheimer's books that are not worth.
Oh, was that cable included with this too?
No, I had this inside of the one that I sold, but you can have it.
Okay, cool. I don't even know if I need it. I just.
Yeah.
I appreciate it, man.
No, I appreciate you. Thank you very much.
Pretty soon you're gonna be able to go in early. So.
Yeah. It's kind of lazy. Stay out here.
Yeah, I usually lazy wins for me. So. Later, man. Woo-wee! Those boots ended up being pretty dang good. And they sold pretty quick too. So if I ever see a lot like that, I'm scooping it. If you like this kind of stuff, make sure you like and subscribe. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And I got plenty more coming. So stick around. Catch you later.
You're still here? It's over. Go home.